Teachers are the one who create all the citizens and the nations of this country. But we need to understand the basis and the importance of our teachers. Teachers are not only the child molders, they are the nation creators. They know how to mold a child into something and to create something productive. And for all the teachers that are present over here, we students will look same in the eye of a teacher. But for a student, every teacher looks different, and from different perspective, we acquire different things and learn differently. Teachers are our second parents. Teachers are our second parents. But in my case, there is an exception that my father is also a teacher. So in my case, teachers are also my first parent, like here. And one day I was thinking, I was studying something, and I asked my father that what is success and how do we obtain it? How to acquire success? He just simply replied that success is not for the people who hard work, and success is not for the people who only educate. Success is for the people who are hungry for it, who want to grab the opportunity and to grab that opportunity to be on the top. So be like that. And there is something for all the students I want to share, that once we are leaving these gates, we are opening up into new horizons. We must know that we need to be strong and competitive and confident while we are opening up into the new horizons, so that we can achieve what we have and to achieve what Allah had gave us. But have faith in Allah and think twice to do something better. Thank you so much.